to upgrade your English software, then I'll give you one sentence structure in just less than 60 seconds. It will make your English sound more advanced. Let's see. Instead of saying, I finished my work and then I watched TV, say, having finished my work, I watched TV. Having finished my work, I watched TV. Another example, I cooked dinner and then I called my friend. Having cooked dinner, I call my friend. Having cooked dinner, I call my friend. So everyone, in order to upgrade your English software version, you can use the sentence structure. If action 1 is completed before second action happens, you can use having plus verb 3 plus main clause. And now, I'm pretty sure, having watched my video, you will start making sentences like a pro. For you, I have one challenge. I cleaned my room and then I relaxed. I cleaned my room and then I relaxed. So upgrade this sentence using having plus verb 3. Let me know in the comment box. Follow for more.